Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu news updates. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We are talking, of course, in today's video about Shiba Inu, and we have a lot to discuss. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first tweet that I want to cover here is actually from Playside Studios, which is a game developer that is working on the AAA game concerned with Shiba Inu. As you can see, Queenie, who is one of the main mods in the Shiba Inu Discord, tweeted out, or replied, I guess, "Imagine how much fun we'll have when these games are out." Playside then responds to that tweet saying, "Can confirm a lot of fun," with a Shib emoji, or well, it's a dog emoji and the fire emoji as well. So either way, guys, this does confirm, of course, that we knew that Playside is actively working on a AAA game for Shiba Inu, and whether or not this game is going to be fun, well, it seems like they have pretty much said that as well, guys. But again, I think overall this is a good thing for the Shiba Inu community and army. I think that the game will help grow Shiba Inu's price over the long term, and I think that if anything, this is a very exciting catalyst to look at either way. Before we get into the rest of these pieces of news, and we do have a lot to cover today, guys, again, I really want to recommend that you guys hit the subscribe button, guys. The subscribe button is the easiest way to support our channel. All you guys have to do is sub. It's free. It's literally the easiest thing to do. Plus, you guys get to keep up to date with our daily updates on Shiba Inu Coin, and of course everything in between. I know you guys want access to an amazing channel that provides you constant and consistent updates on not just Shiba Inu but the entire cryptocurrency market as a whole, and I think that our channel is a great place to get started there either way. So again, hit the subscribe button, guys. Totally free and a great way to get yourself access to some amazing content as far as news in the cryptocurrency space is concerned. But let's get into some news, guys. Overall, cryptocurrency markets are not doing too well, and I'm sure that the first comments that we're going to get on this video today are likely something probably in the effect of, "You're so stupid, you're wrong, the whole crypto, look at Shiba Inu, it's down so much, look at the chart, look how terrible this chart." Just please relax if you're saying that. If you're not saying that and you're just a community member who's still very positive and optimistic about all of this, then thank you, first of all. But if you look at the overall chart that we're looking at right now, this is where we're at, guys. We're starting to consolidate. We're starting to recover from that low. That's as low as it looks like we were willing to go as well, which is great because that's above the previous low that we experienced back over here before the massive rally breakout right there. So this is good news, guys, in my opinion. This is good stuff either way, and this makes me excited, of course, about the future of Shiba Inu Coin as well. And you have to remember, guys, nothing fundamentally has changed about this token. Literally nothing. There's still good news coming out about it. There's still good projects and good mechanisms that they are working on behind the scenes that the overall dev team is still doing a very good job with creating, right? They're still doing a very good job. And in my opinion, Shiba Inu Coin has not changed fundamentally at all. It's just the overall cryptocurrency market is down just about 8.42% today. It's going to happen, guys, okay? It's not a big deal. This happens. This is very expected. The crypto markets are volatile, and especially Shiba Inu Coin is volatile in itself. So you have to keep that in mind. You can't get too emotional about this coin or about any coin for that matter, right? I'm a long-term holder. This is something that I'm buying and holding for the long term. Next thing, Shitoshi tweets out soon. And then in response, that was in response to Maddie, who tweets out this: "What the NFT game industry needs to onboard the next 100 million gamers. Games with fun at its core, AAA quality, better UX, NFTs attainable for free, no payment gating, mobile, and NFT blockchain lingo is non-existent." So Maddie essentially there is trying to kind of highlight some of the big features that these games need to have in order to be a success or a hit if they are concerned with crypto, especially in the future. And as you can see, Shitoshi seems to have all of those features implemented into the game that they are working on. Playside also leaves a kind of a cheeky little, winky face emoji down there as well. And I agree with all of this. I think that games with fun at their core is going to be a huge thing. I think AAA quality will also be a very great factor in this as well. And of course, better UX is just going to be an overall plus, and then all of these other things as well. I think that is the key to a successful game launch and an overall successful blockchain or crypto related game. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I always love to know your guys' takes on that either way. And I think you guys always have some interesting stuff to say. Also, Bigger Entertainment tweeting out hashtag Shib Army. We have some extremely exciting plans for 2022. Here's a sneak peek of what you can expect from us during the first quarter of this year. Hashtag Shib, hashtag Shib Army strong. And of course, they have a little kind of detailed thing right there, but it looks like it's going to be more burn parties, more community events to get the Shiba Inu army involved, which is really, really cool. Last two pieces of news here, but before we do that, guys, if you want to get access to Zach and I's buy and sell alerts, you guys have to join our private Discord, Bro Club. Again, Bro Club is a private community of like-minded individuals, all on the path to financial freedom. And of course, we literally talk about what we're buying and selling in both the crypto and stock markets on a daily basis. If this sounds interesting to you guys, hit the link down in the description below. And of course, get signed up, guys. It's super affordable, super cheap, cheaper than Netflix. And I think you guys will really enjoy the value that we bring in there. Overall, guys, crypto markets are doing very well as far as the break or the comeback is concerned. We're still down a little bit like I showed earlier, but I think we are expected to bounce back quite nicely here. If you guys haven't already too, make sure to follow us on Twitter. We're always posting news updates concerning Shiba Inu and a variety of other tokens, as you can see here. Last little thing before we wrap this whole video up, I think this article does a very nice job of kind of just consolidating all the information that we already know into one thing. So why is Shiba Inu dropping to the ground today, and could it topping this level decisively save its bacon? So we know why Shiba Inu is of course dropping today. The overall market is like 8.25% down, as you can see there. But let's talk about this kind of weird, interesting thing that they talk about here. So Shiba Inu is nearing the end of a pennant pattern and could be due for a breakout if it can push past its 50-day moving average on strong volume. Meanwhile, decentralized exchange Shiba Swap is the top trending project on security leaderboard maintained by Certic, and the overall blockchain audit company said that it is number 8 overall, which is cool. And what they're talking about here, guys, is that as long as we have somewhat of a healthy pullback, which we kind of had already, as you can see, and now we're starting to consolidate and push back up, I think that we could really see some potential gains here in the near future, if not sooner rather than later. And again, guys, you have to remember, and I keep saying this because we keep getting comments about it. Once you guys stop leaving comments, I'll stop sounding like a broken record. But comments, by the way, negative. I'm not saying like comments in general, but I'm saying like the comments like, this coin's stupid, I hate this coin, this is worthless, why are you even invested in this? Again, I'm a long-term holder, right? I'm not worried about the day-to-day dips and the reds. I buy the dips. That's what I do. I'm more than likely expecting a lot of whales to buy on this dip, if like kind of in this price range. I think most of them are. Again, I think Ethereum whales hold something like 12 to 14% of Shiba Inu as far as their portfolio is concerned. It's the #1 holding in the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. That's big news, guys. And I think that's something that we're definitely going to cover in a future video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Again, great way to get access to amazing information on a daily basis. And of course, make sure to join our private community where you guys get access to our buy and sell alerts. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.